Reed DeCourcy. This is our 63 Impala. For the engine, we have the 01 Corvette LS1 powertrain, engine and transmission combination. On the engine, we had a one-off chrome Corvette intake added. We had to have that machine and built. The cars are part of Infamous Car Club. The car was built by Kevin DeRozier. Garrett Jedlicki is the owner. Garrett built it as well. Wreck Brothers did the body work. East Coast rep of House of Color. This is one of our vehicles we painted with Orion Silver and UFC 35 Clear. Full chrome suspension down here. The full belly pan is all wrapped in steel, just for reinforcement because there's so much twists in the car. The extended A-arms allow the vehicle to travel up and down more while keeping the suspension in proper position. 1/4-inch box frame with 1/4-inch steel, fully boxed. Extended A-arms, uppers and lowers. Smooth A-arms, molded. So here on the rear of the car, we did do the LED updated taillights. Obviously we did the hydraulic suspension in it. We run 4 batteries to the front and 4 to the rear. We ended up doing hard lines through all the system, as well as fluid pressurized gauges. We didn't want a vinyl top, we went with the cloth top on it. Fully restored the frame with pinstripe and paint to match the vehicle. Fully restored it is an SS, so we stuck with the SS original interior. We custom made a panel for the ignition. We did a Nissan push button start, all digital Dakota gauges on it. We also chrome plated the dash up here, had the whole inside pinstriped. Inside the doors, we shaved the door handles, pinstriped all the jams. We did a full chrome undercarriage. Being with the Corvette motor, we had to build a fuel cell, so we took the stock 63 tank, split it in half, and actually built a fuel cell out of it. We stuck with the banana bar in it, chromed all the A-arms on it, smoothed out the axle, got a slip U-joint through the drive shaft so you can lift up the rear end and still drive down the street. The whole frame is powder coated red. The dual exhaust is on it. These are block stops and they're also scrape blocks, so these are adjustable to where you want the car to lay out. And underneath we have titanium blocks for shooting sparks out down the road if you want to drag the back end and really put on a show. With the titanium, you get a lot of spark underneath it. It's pretty neat to see at night. A lot of time, blood, sweat, and tears. It is a driver. We didn't build it to show it. It's built to drive. We're pretty proud of it.